So here we have a Z bumper from a friend of ours, but it's got a lip on it, so you can see where the lip was riding. There's the lip right there. It's carbon fiber. It went in to get fixed, the top of it anyways. The bottom didn't get repaired, but when I sent it back, it was just wrapped in plastic. It was mounted to the bumper, sort of. Then it finished remounting the whole thing to the bumper, so it was kind of hanging on there. So I decided to clean it up, take it apart and clean it up and fix it. We're going to actually put some riv nuts in it, so you can just bolt it in. It's got 5 mounting points, one here in the middle, one here on one end, and then at the very end here. And then back over this way, there's another one here. And this one we were able to slide the riv nut in just like the other side. So it's going to make a couple holes bigger and get it on there. It just makes it easier than trying to bolt it through with the panel, with the lower splash guard on and everything. And we're going to clean it up a little bit before we finalize the install. We're going to put back on, and then there's the riv nuts that we put in. They're all ready to go. And we clean it with Meguiar's. Use the Martian's riv nut installer. This is from Fowler Tools, and this is a reamer kit for different types of reaming. Round, metal, edges, whatever. And a drill to get those in. 3 of them had to be enlarged. The ends were actually the right size for the riv nuts. They just slipped right in and locked them in. So we got it on. Got the fasteners in with the time certs inside there. I mean the thread certs, nut cert. I just taped it up because it's going to sit for a while and I don't want it to get scratched up. The bottom wasn't fixed, but I just don't want it to get any worse. And there it is. Of course it's taped up on the bottom so that